The reason you come to university is not so you can get a better job. It's so you can maximise your potential as a human being and make a difference.
I wanted to do something in biology, and genetics gave me a bit more freedom within that.
I'm interested in cancer research, so genetics was the right way to go.
What genetics is about, it's about how a living organism develops, how it passes on its characteristics to its offspring, how it relates to other organisms around it.
It's in viruses, it's in plants, it's in us, it is just everything.
The techniques are becoming more and more precise and sophisticated, and who knows what we'll be able to do in the next 35 years.
So some mornings you can get up and you can be in lectures all day, others you can be in labs looking at zebrafish. The next week you can be, doing something completely different.
Because you get to pick optional modules as well. They're within the whole School of Biology, so you don't have to just stick to your degree programme.
So I've been able to explore the science that I like most.
I've took a food sustainability module, which is completely different to genetics.
I was able to choose chemotherapy modules, which are part of a different school, so it was really flexible.
You can still learn about a broad range of things while staying kind of in your speciality as well.
Leeds University is a member of the Russell Group. That's the principal research active group of universities in the UK. And we try to make sure that our teaching is all research-led.
It's really good to have the people doing the research in the labs and then coming and teaching you exactly what they found out themselves.
Interesting to see what they're actually doing rather than just the general sort of virus structure or something. You really get to get in there.
And just find out everything in more detail and how it is also applied in the real life, in diagnosis or in that sort of situation.
You can tell when they're talking about their subject because they're always that little bit more enthusiastic.
It's a lot more advanced lab equipment than school, particularly in animal development, which I've been doing this year. We've done a lot of work with the model systems you learn about in the lectures, and you just get to use loads of techniques like gel electrophoresis, and you learn how to pipette really accurately, and just things like that that are just really good skills for the future. And it's really exciting really to be using high-tech equipment.
There's a lot of options. The MBiol is one. It's the integrated master's scheme.
We offer this from the start, but it's something you can do at any stage during the progression through the university.
You get funded by student finance, so it's really quite appealing.
We see our students going in all sorts of directions.
I went on a trip with sustainable food production to Askham Bryan College, where we got to see the dairy farm and how sustainable practices are put into actual place. That was really good to not just hear it from a lecture but actually see it as well.
Now that I'm at the end of year 2, I was able to gain an industrial placement in Singapore as part of a cancer research lab.
A lot of my friends are doing year abroad, so one of them is going to Adelaide, another one's going to Wisconsin.
It's a broadening experience. You'll be travelling to another country. You're possibly not even learning in English, so your language skills will improve. And again, that's a great benefit.
I did come with a plan, but it's changed completely, seeing other opportunities and other things I can do while I'm here.
So much has changed. I've been through halls, I've got used to living on my own.
I've grown a lot in confidence since coming to university, just because of having to do more independent study.
It's a really nice city, it's a really nice place to live.
Everyone's just really welcoming and friendly.
It's just a big community really.
So come here and take everything we've got to offer and make the most of it.
Definitely apply. It's been absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, I love it here.